We would like to present to you a series of educational videos on working with Kaspersky Anti Targeted Attack platform and Kaspersky Endpoint Detection and Response Expert. This video will use Kaspersky Unified Monitoring and Analysis platform integration as an example to demonstrate how to configure a SIEM system to receive KATA events and telemetry from hosts that have Kaspersky EDR component installed. Enable activity logging to collect user activity events in central node. Select the data to export and configure integration with the SIEM system. Complete authorization in the Kaspersky Unified Monitoring and Analysis platform interface and create a collector to receive events. Go to the transport section and specify the collector type and port in accordance with the KATA settings. Go to the event parsing section, select Add Event Parsing and choose the appropriate normalizer. In the routing section, add destination for the correlator and storage to the collector resource set. Click Save and create the service, then copy the command for installing the Kaspersky Unified Monitoring and Analysis platform collector. Use an account with the root privileges to run the command on the server that has the collector. Use Central Node Web Interface Authorization to verify that the events from KATA are being correctly received by the SIEM. Now configure Kaspersky EDR telemetry import via the standard Kaspersky Unified Monitoring and Analysis platform collector with the KATA EDR connector. First, create a secret for authentication in central node. Create a new collector for Kaspersky EDR events. Enter the IP address of the central node and select the previously created secret. In the routing section, add destination for the correlator and storage to the collector resource set. Click Save and create the service, then copy the command for installing Kaspersky Unified Monitoring and Analysis collector. Run it with the root privileges on the server that has the collector role. Authorize the collector service. To do so, go to the central node web interface and select External Systems section. Verify that the telemetry from Kaspersky EDR is being received by SIEM. Configuration at this stage is now complete.